we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
The three most common reasons for failures that we see as a result of wear and tear are a mechanically locked compressor, failure of the fan motor, and dirty condenser coils. The refrigerator's compressor is the heart of the cooling system. Without a working compressor, the refrigerator cannot function.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.